Dear friends, today I have taken a topic from Lesson-3 of Unit-5, Paper 1 of UGC NET syllabus 2020. So the topic is average. What I will do here, I will discuss only 5 problems, okay, and I will do the analysis and I will try to explain you in detail. Fine. So for this I must tell you that I have taken reference from the book of R.S. Agarwal, Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Agarwal. Fine. So first point to remember here is how can we calculate average? Average equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Okay. Fine. Point number 2. Suppose a man covers a certain distance at x km per hour and an equal distance at y km per hour. Hence, the average speed during the whole journey is 2xy divided by x plus y whole kilometer per hour. Now, I think the second point needs some analysis. How can we say in a straight way that the average speed must be 2xy by x plus y? So, let us discuss it. So, the analysis is like this. We know that mathematics says average equal to sum of the observations divided by number of observations, right? So, if I follow that, I must say here that average speed must be speed 1 plus speed 2 divided by 2. That means the average speed must be x plus y by 2. Fine, x plus y by 2 km per hour. But this will not be correct. If we take some examples and we analyze that, then we will see that this is not correct. So, as for physics, we know average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. Fine. So, here what happens, we cannot, here a thing to an important thing that is underlined here, that the distance is equal, right? And this is the, I must tell you, this is the key point of this whole sentence or whole formula. Fine. So, we cannot take x kilometer and y kilometer as distances because distance covered is equal and one speed must be slower and the other speed must be faster. Fine. So, what I have done here, here as we know distance is not given and time is also not given. Fine. So, let we take distance equal to small d and times are small t1 and t2. Also, we have given that the distance is same. That means for the speed x km per hour and for the speed y km per hour, the distance is same, that is d. So, what I will do, I will first of all write down the formula average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. So, what is the total distance? Distance for first speed and distance for second speed, that is d plus d divided by time 1 and time 2. So, t1 plus t2. Fine. This equal to 2d divided by t1 plus t2. And we know that speed equal to what? Speed equal to distance per time. Similarly, we can say time equal to distance for speed. Fine. So, in place of t1 I have written d by x and in place of t2 I have written d by y. So, by solving this we proceed like 2d divided by dy plus dx divided by xy and at last we get 2xy divided by x plus y and this is the answer. Fine. I think this analysis is very much clear and you will never forget this formula in the lifetime. Fine. Next. Now I will solve some problems. So, the first problem is, question is, find the average of all prime numbers between 30 and 60. So, we know what are the prime numbers, what are the even numbers. I think everybody is aware of it. But still, for the clear explanation I have written, or I have written the definition everywhere for a clear understanding. Fine. So what are prime numbers? A prime number must be greater than 1 and its factors are 1 and the number itself. Fine. So between 30 and 60 we can write the prime numbers as, this is a normal way of getting the prime numbers. We can write like 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. So that is 5 numbers. Right. Now we know average equal to sum of the observations divided by number of observations. So I have summed all these numbers and divided, and this summation is divided by the number of observations, that is 5. So the answer comes as 39.8. This is the average of all the prime numbers between 30 and 60. Fine. So this question is solved. Next I will go to second question. Find the average of first 40 natural numbers. So in the question number 1, between 30 and 60, it is easy to find the prime numbers. But in case of first 40 numbers, it becomes difficult to find the average in a manual way. That means in a general way, right? So what I have done here, I have adopted the formula from the arithmetic progression. What? The formula is sum of first n natural numbers equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Fine. Next. What happened? Then the n is 40. So 40 into 40 plus 1 divided by 2. This is equal to 820. And this is the sum of observations. So required average equal to 820 divided by 40. So we are getting the answer as 20.5. Fine. Next I will go to question number 3. Find the average of first 20 multiples of 7. Okay. So I will first find out what are the first 20 multiples of 7. And this is very natural that we can do it in a general way. So equal to first 20 multiples of 7 equal to 7, 14, 21, 28 up to 140. So I can write it like 7 into 1, 2, 3 up to 20. Fine. So average equal to, I can write 7 plus 14 plus 21 up to 140, because this is a summation of the observations divided by 20, number of observations. But what I will do, I will write it in a manner so that I can go to the formula of n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So I have written like, I have taken 7 as the common and 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 20 is the summation. Fine. So what I will do here, I can write 7 by 20 in one side, not one side. I have taken this as 7 as the common thing and 7 by 20. And in the bracket I have written 1, 2, 3 up to 20, which can be written as the formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Fine. So we can write in place of n as 20 and 20 into 21, 20 into 20 plus 1 divided by 2, and this gives us 210 as the answer. So average equal to, what can I write down? Write down 7 by 20 into 210 equal to 73.5. Fine. Next I will go to question number 4. The average of 4 consecutive even numbers is 27. Find the largest of these numbers. Again, what is an even number? An even number is a number which is divisible by 2. Fine. So let the 4 consecutive numbers be x, and x plus 2 must be an even number. Then x plus 2 plus 2. Another even number. So similarly I have written like x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, etc. So average equal to, as we need only 4 numbers, I have written only 4 numbers here in form of alphabets and numbers. So average equal to x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 divided by 4, and we are getting 4x plus 12 divided by 4. Given average equal to 27, so we can write down as 4x plus 12 divided by 4 equal to 27, and in this way we get x equal to 24. So largest number is from this 4 numbers, that means x plus 2, x plus 4 and x plus 6. So the largest number is x plus 6. So we can write down x plus 6, that is 24 plus 6 equal to 30. 30 is the answer. Next, I will go to question number 5. There are two sections A and B of a class consisting of 36 and 44 students respectively. If the average weight of section A is 40 kg and that of section B is 35 kg, find the average weight of the whole class. So what I will do, I will write in two columns. One is for A, one is for B. So number of students for section A is 36. So average weight equal to sum of weight divided by 36. Fine. Because this is the number of observations 36 and sum of weights that we don't know. So sum of weights equal to 36 into 40. Similarly, for section B, average weight equal to sum of weights divided by 44. So sum of weights equal to 44 into 35. 35, right? Yeah. Next. Next, so we can write down total weight of 36 plus 44 students, that means the total number of students, equal to 36 into 40 plus 44 into 35 whole kg equal to 1440 plus 1540 equal to 2980 kg, right? 2980 kg. So average weight of the whole class equal to 2980 divided by the total number of students, that is 36 plus 44 equal to 2980 divided by 80 and the answer comes as 37.25 kgs. So this is the answer. So this way I have solved 5 problems from the topic averages and I think I have analyzed well. So by doing this much of problems and with a depth of analysis, I think we can solve other problems also. Fine. So please compliment or comment in the comment section and share the video among your friends, and please subscribe my channel with pressing the bell icon. Thank you.